I always got bars, man. Back to back, back to back.
She on the block when she get hot. If you run up on me, you getting popped. 40 knock your ass out your socks. If you want the problem, then nigga, we got the blocks. Nigga, knock your ass right out your motherfucking block. Our block, nigga, hold it down. We getting a meal in the ground, nigga. You fuck around with that real shit and you get a brown, nigga. We your ass around, nigga. We ain't talking about a freak bitch. Freak bitch, do that freak shit for all my niggas in the D bitch. We do this shit from the west to the east. If a nigga run up on me, I'ma leave him in the streets. Our block, Detroit, hold it down real quick. And this my motherfucking sauce, so hold it down real quick. Bitch, I'm on the motherfucking block every day like a stop sign. Niggas can't stop my shine with that same Martin Luther King grind. Bitch, my niggas steady blasting, yo ho, I'm steady smashing. Run up on me, nigga, it's like lights, camera, action. When I say bucks, don't think I'm talking about Uncle Sam, bitch, cause he ain't giving you shit. I'm like a motherfucking picker, cause the way I be picking your bitch. Nigga, use a fucking bitch, nigga. Run up on me with the shits, nigga. Got the fucking clips, nigga. Bustin' at your shit, nigga. We ain't playing no games, you is a bitch, nigga. Run up on my team, our block, we get them sticks, nigga. We get it in from the west to the east, man. I never seen a nigga get the fucking beats, man. We the beast, man. Got the fucking clips, and if you run up on me, man, that's your ass in the bitch. I block.